Glaciers, Earth's enigmatic ice behemoths, beckon adventurers and explorers to venture into their frozen realms, promising discoveries that span epochs and challenge our understanding of the planet. With each step on their icy terrain, we unlock the secrets of our past, grasp the present implications of climate change, and ponder the profound mysteries of our world. In this essay, we embark on an exhilarating journey through glaciers, delving into the intrigue of their formation, the thrill of exploration, and the urgent lessons they hold for humanity. Glaciers are geological time capsules, preserving ages within their crystalline layers. They form through the gradual accumulation of snow over centuries, compacting into ice that flows majestically like a frozen river. This mesmerizing dance of ice and time creates breathtaking landscapes of towering ice falls, serene glacial lakes, and intricate ice formations, all sculpted by the ceaseless passage of millennia. Glaciers are more than just frozen landscapes, they are sentinels of climate change. Their retreat and melt offer tangible evidence of our planet's warming. With each trickling stream of meltwater, we witness the delicate balance between nature's rhythms and the impact of human activity. By studying these icy sentinels, we gain insights into the complex interplay between temperature, sea levels, and the future of our planet. Exploring glaciers is an adventure that ignites the spirit of discovery. Guided by the crunch of crampons and the echo of cracking ice, explorers delve into crevices and traverse ice bridges, venturing into a realm few have witnessed. From the ethereal blue of glacial ice caves to the awe-inspiring vistas atop icy peaks, the experience offers a profound connection with nature's grandeur. Glacier exploration is not without its challenges. The unpredictable weather, treacherous crevices, and isolation demand respect for the forces of nature. Yet, it is precisely these challenges that infuse the journey with meaning. The conqueror of a glacier is not just an adventurer, they become part of a lineage of explorers who brave the same elements in pursuit of discovery. Beyond the adventure, glacier exploration underscores the importance of conservation. The ecosystems surrounding glaciers are delicate and intricately connected. As glaciers recede, their impact on water sources, wildlife, and landscapes becomes evident. Being conscious of our role as stewards of these environments is paramount for maintaining the balance of our natural world. Exploring glaciers is a testament to our human spirit of curiosity and resilience. It's a journey that bridges past and present, unveiling stories locked within frozen layers. As we traverse their icy expanses, we come face to face with the beauty of Earth's icy past, the urgency of its present challenges, and the potential for our actions to shape the future.